Okay, this is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Mardi Gras Gold. This is one of three that loose eyeshadows that's in my Mardi Gras collection. It's purple, gold, and green, which I'm going to do all three videos. Okay, so these are little pouches that I use. They're vitamin bags, so after whatever leftover product I have, I put in these little bags and I label it. I chose this jar today just because it's a 3-gram jar, so I can put the eyeshadow in it to show you what it looks like when it's in there. Okay, also too, make sure you always keep 91% alcohol. I always keep this for cleaning out my jars before I use them. I use it to clean out my blender cup, although it looks discolored, but that's what happens when you work with mica powders and pigments. It really does kind of the color sets into everything, but I clean everything with the 91% alcohol. And then also I use this little pizza tray just to kind of keep things a little more organized and keep my table a little cleaner. So that's what this is. Got this at the dollar store. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients in this cup, and then you're probably only going to need to blend it for 15 or 30 seconds. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my tad spoon, and I'm gonna put 1 tad of TKB matte texture base, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to put is TKB's 24 karat gold mica. So this will be 2 tads. These are real easy, pre-made. Since the base is pre-made, it goes really quick and really easy. And these are ready to wear as soon as you make them. Okay, and we are going to put this back on the blender, and we're going to blend this for just about 15, 20, 30 seconds. I don't think it needs a full 30, but, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, now that that's blended, I'm just going to tap it a little bit, but if you were making this at home, I don't like to do it with my videos, you would have a mask on, and I'm going to show you why. See the dust that comes out? You do not want to breathe that. It's not good for your lungs. It's a good safety precaution not to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this in the jar. I think this usually fits like 2 tads. So that would be my eyeshadow. And then I want to take some and I'm going to put it on my arm so you can see what it looks like. This is a soft gold. I'm gonna put a little extra. So you can use, actually you can use this like a highlighter. You can use it for eyeshadow. Sometimes I dab this around the eye and the cheek. So it's a pretty color, it comes out great. So this one is called Mardi Gras Gold. Okay. So when you're done, like I said, you'll have this extra in here. You can either fill your containers or you can put it in here and mark it and save it for later. Okay, that was Mardi Gras Gold.